This course is divided into two parts. I recorded the first part at the end of August 2025. It covers the Flux Context Model. These are chapters 1 through 7. The second part, recorded in October 2025, is dedicated to models that have only recently been released but have already permanently changed the landscape of the AI market, including Nano Banana, Seed Dream, and video models such as OneClean Sora and VO. These are chapters 8 through 13. Every time I appear in that version, it's my August self. But as I am now, it's October. I hope this will help you smoothly go through all the material on the site. So, with that out of the way, I'll hand things over to my past self. Hi, I'm glad we can meet here. Thanks for choosing this course. My name is Piotr Kurpiewski, and I'll have the pleasure of spending the next few hours with you. For years, I've been showing the architectural and design industry how to use new technologies, from classic 3D modeling to artificial intelligence. I am a university lecturer at the Faculty of New Media Art at the Polish-Japanese Academy of Information Technology in Warsaw. Besides that, I run the design studio Nuance and co-create the CG Wisdom platform. But you probably already know that. If you're familiar with my courses, you also know that I like to test the latest tools before they become mainstream. Flux Context is exactly one of those tools. Not long ago, I was amazed for the first time that I could change the color of a chair, build a storyboard, or edit an image using simple commands in Omnigen. Since then, tools like Stable Assistant and GPT-o1 have shown that AI in design is not just for fun, but a real support in conceptual work. Flux Context takes it a step further, and it's not just about aesthetics. It's about understanding. This model doesn't create blindly. It understands what you want from it, recognizing images, text, and everything in between. This isn't just another model for generating pretty pictures. It's a truly well-thought-out, multimodal model that will support you in many visual tasks. Colorizing technical drawings, turning mood boards into photos, advanced visualization modifications, and transforming them into all kinds of media. Working with Flux Context is intuitive, and communication takes place in natural English. A good command of the language is recommended to get the most out of this course. But even if your English is weak or you don't know it at all, I'll show you how to harness its potential using popular LLMs knowing only Polish. In general, the language barrier is gradually losing its significance, and perhaps in the future, languages will be left with only their cultural, nomen-omen context. Let's get back to the course. I've organized the lessons into 7 chapters, each with an increasing level of difficulty. You don't have to watch them in order, but I suggest doing so for a full understanding of the topic. At the same time, you can check out the supplementary materials included with this course, where you'll find even more tips, practical workflows, and advice on how to apply this to your own work. Is everything clear? All right, let's get started.